Hello student, we are meeting after a long gap and this is the next part of chapter number 12 aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, and the unit is nomenclature of carboxylic acid. How carboxylic acid is identified? By observing the functional group COOH. If there is COOH, we name it according to tribal system and common IPC system. But tribal system having some limitation, all the molecules cannot be named according to tribal system. Therefore, some molecules are named only by the IPC nomenclature. Such examples are noted here, where more than one functional group including COOH group is there, then the name according to the IPC nomenclature, which you have learned in the 11th standard. Now let us see the names one by one. The first formula is HCOOH. What is common name? Formic acid. And how IPC name is given? The IPC name is ended with noic acid. Every name is ended with oic acid. Here you can observe. So all the IPC names having the last word OIC acid. Okay. And tribal system, here acid, etc. and the non-systematic name. The second formula CH3COOH, you know very well, it is acetic acid and it is called ethanoic acid. Why? By observing the total number of carbon atoms. Here 2 carbon atoms means it is the derivative of ethane, is considered an ethanoic acid. In formic acid only 1 carbon atom, therefore the name is given methanoic acid. Third, which having 3 carbon atoms including the functional group, it is called propionic acid. And what is the IPC name? Propianoic acid. If there are 4 carbon atoms, then it is called butanoic acid. And what is the common or tribal name? N-butyric acid. Because from butane onwards, the isomerism is possible. If the arrangement of carbon is like this, CH3 by 2CH, then this is the isopropyl group. And the 1 carbon atom of COOH group means it becomes the isobutyric acid. And what is the IPC name? 2-methyl propanoic acid. The isobutyric acidity is also called alpha-methyl propionic acid. Why? Because this carbon atom attached to functional group and which having methyl group, that is the alpha carbon atom. Alpha carbon atom having methyl group, therefore alpha-methyl, and total carbon remaining, total carbon 3, therefore propanoic acid. Now, the COOH group and double bond, if such condition is there, means 2 functional group, how the name is given? Here numbering should be done and probe to enoic acid. Here how numbering is done? From the functional group which having priority 1, 2, 3. So second number carbon having double bond, that is probe 2. 3 carbon atom, therefore probe. 2 means double bond. Second number carbon having double bond. 2 in, and this is acid, therefore noic, means probe to enoic acid. And what is the tribal system? Acrylic acid. If COOH 2 groups are there, it is called oxalic acid. And IPC nomenclature, if same functional groups are present, then complete name of alkane. 2 functional groups COOH and 2 carbon atoms, therefore derivative of ethane. Di means 2 functional groups and oic acid means COOH is there. Therefore, the name is ethane dioic acid. If benzene ring is there and alternate double and single bond, this is called benzoic acid. You know very well. You learned about this in the previous video. And the IPC name also benzoic acid. And tribal system another name is benzene the carboxylic acid. If COOH and CH3 group is attached, then it is called O-tolic acid because this is tolic acid. Toluene. And this toluene having COOH group. This is first position, second. Second means ortho position having CH3. Therefore O-tolic acid. Or 2 number having methyl group, therefore 2-methyl, and this is the benzoic acid. This is also the IPC name. If the benzene ring having COOH group, it is called phthalic acid. And what is the another name? 2 semi-functional group, therefore complete name of that compound, that is benzene. And 1, 2, this is the 2 position, 1, 2, dicarboxylic acid. If there is no alternate double bond and single bond, means it is cyclohexane derivative. Therefore, cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. COOH is carboxylic acid. And what is the IPC name? Cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Means here hexyl name is written and here complete alkane's name. Okay. In this manner, the IPC and tribal system is there. It is very simple and the nomenclature is connected with the 11th syllabus. Now the two more examples are written here. These two examples show the another functional group. If another functional groups are there, then priority order should be remembered. Which functional group should be given priority. Now observe, three functional groups are there, COOH, OH and CH3. This is always in prefix alkyl group. Then OH and COOH, तो किसको प्रायोरिटी दी जाती है? COOH. फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी, आप प्रायोरिटी ऑर्डर को लर्न किया होगा, तो पहला प्रायोरिटी किसको रहता है? COOH को. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट नंबर, सेकेंड, देन थर्ड. यहाँ से भी नंबर कर सकते पर यहाँ से पास में आता तो नियरेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर लिया जाता है. तो यहाँ पे थर्ड पे OH आया और फोर्थ पे CH. अब हम कैसे लिखेंगे? अकॉर्डिंग टू द अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर हम लिखेंगे. थर्ड हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप को पहले लिखेंगे और मिथाइल को बाद में, अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. देयरफॉर 3 हाइड्रोक्सी 4 मिथाइल बेंजोइक एसिड. ये बेंजीन रिंग और COOH को क्या कहते हैं? बेंजोइक एसिड इज द पैरेंट कंपाउंड. दूसरा एग्जांपल देखिए, इसमें एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप है COOH. प्रायोरिटी किसको रहती है? COOH ग्रुप को. एल्डिहाइड कीटोन बाद में. सो दिस इज वन नंबर. सेकेंड, और एल्डिहाइड अगर प्रीफिक्स में आता है तो उसे फॉर्माइल कहा जाता है. तो 2 फॉर्माइल बेंजोइक एसिड, बेंजोइक एसिड. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द nomenclature. I hope you understand this topic.